Crude oil, we start with 1 hour chart. We want to analyze the chart for the next week. Okay. First of all, I refer to my last video analysis when the price was within this one, exactly here. I mentioned that if we want to look for buy, the best things, let the price to drop because we're looking at this. This is what I was explaining and what we get. Then from there, we can look for buy because I was talking about this running flat. And this is what I was talking and this is what we get. That's why I mentioned when the price was here, but if the price continue from here, we don't buy. The only times we buy, if we want to buy, let the price drop one more. Even I mentioned at least to this low because I was explaining that what we have here, we need to get one more. Okay, now we get this trade, and the only way we could trade for this because of the sharp move was to, after the price drop, to trade based on lower time frame. This one and this. That's why I mentioned that let the price drop, then when the price wants to reverse any sharp move with the flag, we can buy. Okay, now is what's the next when the market open, whether we should look for buy or what. All right, in this case I move to forward daily chart. We start from there. As we can see, we have been within this move and the price broke this high. Okay, can we expect the price to continue to 65? We are not sure. We want to see what we will get from here. Okay, what I want to say is that since we have this sharp move, whether we can expect for the continuation or somewhere the price can drop or we get the bigger correction. Okay, but right now since we had just one sharp move and this correction already finished. Okay, now how we can trade it? Forwards, nothings. Then we move to 1 hour chart. Even based on 1 hour chart, we don't have anything. What I want to say is that for those traders, they are in still they keep the trade. When the market open, they have to manage the trade. Okay, and for new trade, we don't have any trade set up right now, whether for buy or sell. The only thing is when the market open, we see what we will get from here. Then from there we can make a decision. If we get a correction, also we can look for one move up, one more buy. But any buy will be short term from now because the correction is very small and relative with this sharp move. That means as long as you get into the profit, you start to manage. Why? Maybe there is a reversal. I say maybe there is the price can drop because we are not sure how high it can go. Even based on daily, I mentioned whether the price can continue to go on to 65 or not. We need to get. I mean, to confirm that, we need to see what we will get for here. If we get a bigger correction, yeah, we can confirm the price can continue. But any small correction with a sharp move, we should consider as a short-term buy. Okay, anyway, we don't have any trade setup. The only thing is we just follow the market. When the market open, we see what we get from here. If we get a bigger correction, mostly we can go for continuation, but any small correction and sharp move, it will be a short-term trade. Anyway, when the market open, we see what we get from here. Then from there we make a decision, and if there is any trade setup, I will share on YouTube. Thanks.